How Greeks Live to 100. The Mediterranean diet that keeps you thriving past 70. Have you ever wondered what it really takes to live a long, healthy life? Not just adding more years to your life, but adding more life to your years. Today, we're setting sail across the sparkling Mediterranean Sea to uncover the timeless secrets of the Greek islands. Places where reaching 90 or even 100 isn't rare, it's celebrated. And where seniors don't just survive, they thrive. Welcome to Greece, a land of sunshine, laughter, tradition, and some of the healthiest and happiest elders in the world. In the small villages and hilltop homes, life moves a little slower, a little sweeter. There, aging isn't feared, it's embraced. And food plays a bigger role than you might imagine. In this video, we're going to explore the real Greek secrets behind living stronger, longer, and fuller after 70. The good news? These aren't complicated, expensive changes. They're simple, joyful habits you can begin today. And it all starts with what's on your plate. In the Greek islands, food is life. But not the rushed, processed meals so common today. Meals are fresh, local, and made with love. They are colorful, vibrant, and bursting with nutrients. Each dish tells a story of family, culture, and health. The heart of the Greek diet is simple: vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, nuts, olive oil, and fish. Meat is enjoyed only occasionally, often reserved for special feasts or celebrations. Dairy is eaten in moderation, usually in the form of creamy yogurt or tangy feta cheese. And sweets. They are rare indulgences, not daily habits. It's a way of eating that nourishes both the body and the soul. Let's begin with vegetables. In Greece, vegetables aren't just a side dish, they're often the main event. Tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, zucchinis, leafy greens, and peppers appear in almost every meal. These colorful foods are packed with vitamins, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that protect against disease. They help keep the body young, the heart strong, and the mind sharp. Imagine a plate piled high with roasted eggplants drizzled in olive oil, fresh tomatoes sprinkled with herbs, and vibrant green beans simmered with onions. That's a typical lunch for many Greek seniors. And they savor every bite, eating slowly and mindfully. No rushing, no distractions. Just the simple joy of good food and good company. Now let's talk about olive oil, the true liquid gold of the Mediterranean. In Greece, olive oil isn't a garnish, it's a staple. Used in cooking, drizzled over salads, and even dipped with bread, it is part of daily life. And it's no wonder extra virgin olive oil is rich in heart-healthy fats and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. It's one of the main reasons Greek seniors enjoy such low rates of heart disease. Research shows that seniors who regularly consume olive oil have stronger hearts, more flexible blood vessels, and even better memory. It protects the body from the inside out, keeping joints supple and minds clear. If there's one simple change to make, switching to high-quality olive oil could be it. And don't be shy, the Greeks use it generously. A few tablespoons a day can make all the difference. Beans and legumes are another quiet hero of the Greek diet. Lentils, chickpeas, and white beans appear in stews, soups, and salads almost daily. They are rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and essential minerals. Eating beans helps keep blood sugar stable, supports digestion, and builds strong muscles critical for staying active after 70. And they're delicious, hearty, and satisfying. Imagine sitting down to a warm bowl of lentil soup with a slice of rustic bread and a splash of olive oil. Simple, nourishing, and deeply satisfying. Beans also provide steady, long-lasting energy, the kind you need to enjoy long walks, garden afternoons, or playing with grandkids. They're affordable, versatile, and easy to prepare. A true gift from the earth. Seafood, too, plays an important role. Greeks enjoy small, oily fish like sardines, mackerel, and anchovies, often caught the same day they're eaten. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the brain-boosting, heart-protecting fats that are essential for healthy aging. Unlike heavy, processed meats, these small fish are light, nourishing, and easy to digest. A few servings a week can do wonders for the brain, heart, and joints. Little-known fact: in Icaria, Greece, fresh sardines are sometimes referred to as the poor man's steak, affordable, nutritious, and delicious. Many seniors in Greece enjoy seafood, grilled simply with a squeeze of lemon, a drizzle of olive oil, and fresh herbs. No heavy sauces, no complicated recipes. Just pure, clean flavors that honor the natural gifts of the sea. Food that feeds the body and lifts the spirit. Now, you might think that seniors in Greece follow a strict diet. But the truth is, there's no sense of harsh rules or deprivation. There's joy in every meal. They eat a little bit of everything, but they focus most on plants, good fats, and fresh local foods. Balance, variety, and pleasure are the guiding principles. Even their dairy choices are smart. Instead of processed, sugary yogurts, Greeks enjoy thick, creamy Greek yogurt, rich in probiotics. These friendly bacteria support gut health, boost immunity, and even improve mood. A small bowl of yogurt with a drizzle of honey and a few walnuts is a common breakfast or snack. Simple, delicious, and incredibly healthy. Another remarkable secret lies not just in what Greeks eat, but how they eat. Meals are never rushed. They are slow, social, and filled with laughter and conversation. Meals often stretch for an hour or more, surrounded by family and friends. This slow eating not only improves digestion, but also strengthens social bonds, a critical factor in healthy aging. Research shows that eating slowly can actually improve your metabolism, increase satisfaction with meals, and help you feel more full. Loneliness is one of the greatest health risks for seniors today. But in Greece, strong community ties help protect against isolation and depression. Eating together provides emotional nourishment, just as much as physical nourishment. It creates a sense of belonging, purpose, and joy. A reminder that we are not meant to walk this journey alone. Movement is another quiet pillar of Greek longevity. But it's not formal exercise. You won't find many seniors pounding treadmills or lifting heavy weights. Instead, movement is built naturally into daily life. Walking, gardening, cooking, dancing, all done with love and without hurry. This gentle daily movement keeps the body strong, the joints flexible, and the heart resilient. It reduces the risk of falls, strengthens bones, and boosts mood. Even simple habits, like walking to a neighbor's house, tending a garden, or strolling to the market, provide powerful benefits. Consistency is key. Little movements, done every day, create lasting strength. Another cherished tradition is the afternoon siesta. After a nourishing midday meal, many Greeks take a short nap about 20 to 30 minutes. This simple rest helps recharge the body, lower blood pressure, and reduce stress. Modern research now confirms what Greek seniors have known for generations. A short nap is good for your heart, your brain, and your spirit. It's not laziness, it's wisdom. There's also a deep respect for nature. Greek seniors spend time outdoors every day. Whether it's tending a garden, sitting under an olive tree, or simply walking along the beach, they stay connected to the natural world. Sunlight, fresh air, and the rhythm of the seasons are part of their daily lives. Nature heals, refreshes, and energizes. Another beautiful secret: gratitude. Greek seniors often begin and end their days with simple prayers or quiet moments of thanks. They focus on what they have, not what they lack. Gratitude has been shown to boost immune function, reduce depression, and even improve sleep. Powerful medicine, free and available to all of us. Purpose is also key. In Greek villages, seniors remain deeply involved in family life and community. They care for grandchildren, tend gardens, participate in festivals, and share stories and wisdom. They wake up each day with a reason to get out of bed. Having a sense of purpose is one of the strongest predictors of healthy, happy aging. Even humor plays a role. Greek seniors love to joke, tease, and tell funny stories. Laughter keeps the spirit light and the heart strong. It eases pain, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens relationships. It's yet another reminder that joy is a powerful healer. If you're feeling inspired, you're not alone. The beauty of the Greek way of living is that it's simple, natural, and deeply human. You don't need to move to Greece to enjoy these benefits. You can bring the spirit of the Mediterranean into your own life, one small habit at a time, and it's never too late to start. In the next part of this video, we're going to dive even deeper. We'll explore specific Greek foods you can start eating today, simple recipes anyone can make, and a few surprising grandmother secrets that science is now confirming. Stay with us because your strongest, happiest, most vibrant years are still ahead. Now that we've explored the beautiful foundations of Greek longevity, let's dive into the heart of what you can bring into your own life. You don't need to travel to a sun-drenched island to begin. The Mediterranean magic can start right in your own kitchen. It begins with simple choices, made with love and intention, little changes that create lasting results. Let's start with some specific foods that Greek seniors swear by. First up, leafy greens. In Greece, wild greens like dandelion, chicory, and purslane are favorites. These greens are often sautéed lightly in olive oil, sprinkled with lemon juice, and served warm. They're rich in antioxidants, fiber, and important minerals like magnesium and calcium. You can easily find healthy greens at your local market. Look for spinach, arugula, collard greens, or mustard greens. Enjoy them fresh in salads or gently cooked as a side dish. Adding just one serving of greens a day can make a tremendous difference for heart health, bone strength, and digestion. Think of greens as the true fountain of youth. Another Greek secret is the mighty tomato. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects against heart disease and certain cancers. In Greece, tomatoes are eaten fresh, roasted, or stewed into delicious sauces. No heavy preservatives, no added sugars, just pure, vibrant flavor. Tomatoes are one of nature's gifts for aging gracefully. Try making a simple Greek salad. Fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, a few olives, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Top with a slice of feta cheese and a sprinkle of oregano. It's refreshing, hydrating, and full of vitamins and minerals your body craves. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a hearty snack. Speaking of feta cheese, let's talk about dairy. Greek feta is made from sheep's milk, or a blend of sheep and goat's milk, making it easier to digest than cow's milk cheeses. It's rich in calcium and beneficial fats that support bone density and heart health. A little bit of feta goes a long way. You don't need much to enjoy the benefits. Moderation and quality are key. Next on the list, whole grains. In traditional Greek diets, bread isn't the fluffy, processed kind we often see today. It's hearty, dense, and made from whole grains like barley or whole wheat. Whole grains provide steady energy, support healthy digestion, and help manage blood sugar levels. They're an essential fuel for active, vibrant living. Consider swapping white bread or processed grains for whole grain options. Look for rustic whole wheat bread, brown rice, bulgur, or barley. These foods nourish the body without causing energy crashes or blood sugar spikes. They keep you feeling full, satisfied, and strong throughout the day. Simple, nourishing, and timeless. Another essential element is nuts, especially walnuts. In Greece, walnuts are a beloved snack and ingredient. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Just a handful a day can reduce inflammation, support brain health, and protect the heart. Plus, they're crunchy, delicious, and satisfying. You can enjoy walnuts sprinkled on yogurt, tossed into salads, or simply eaten by the handful. Almonds and pistachios are also wonderful choices. But remember, always choose raw or dry roasted nuts without added sugars or oils. Nature knows best. Nuts are a compact, powerful source of life-giving nutrients. Greek seniors also have a special love for herbs. Oregano, rosemary, thyme, mint, and sage aren't just flavorings, they're medicine. These herbs are rich in natural compounds that fight inflammation, boost immunity, and protect the heart. Greeks use fresh or dried herbs liberally in cooking, teas, and even home remedies. Every bite, every sip, is infused with healing power. You can easily start your own small herb garden, even just a few pots by a sunny window. Fresh herbs are inexpensive, easy to grow, and incredibly rewarding. Add them to soups, stews, salads, and meats. Your food will taste better, and your body will thank you. A sprinkle of green magic in every meal. Let's not forget the importance of water. Greek seniors drink plenty of fresh, clean water throughout the day. They also enjoy herbal teas made from chamomile, sage, or mountain herbs. Staying hydrated helps every system of the body work better, from digestion to circulation to memory. It's one of the simplest, most powerful health habits you can adopt. Try starting your day with a glass of water before coffee or tea. Keep a water bottle nearby throughout the day. Add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Hydration is a quiet but mighty foundation for lifelong vitality. Water truly is life. Now, let's touch on something just as important as food. Daily rhythms. In Greece, life follows a natural, unhurried rhythm. Meals are eaten slowly. Rest is honored. Social connections are prioritized. Many seniors wake up with the sun, move gently through their morning, and enjoy a nourishing breakfast. Lunch is the largest meal of the day, often followed by a short, refreshing nap. Evenings are spent in relaxed company, sharing light meals and conversation. This steady, peaceful rhythm reduces stress and promotes deep well-being, a model for graceful aging. Modern life often pushes us to hurry, multitask, and stress. But the Greek way reminds us to slow down, to savor the small moments, to let the body and mind find their natural pace. It's not laziness, it's living wisely. There's also a deep respect for tradition. Recipes are passed down from grandmother to grandchild. Festivals and celebrations honor the seasons, the harvest, and family milestones. Food isn't just about nutrition, it's about connection, memory, and meaning. Eating becomes a sacred, joyful act. You can start your own traditions no matter your age. Maybe it's a Sunday family meal. Maybe it's growing a few tomatoes in your backyard. Maybe it's passing down a favorite recipe to your grandchildren. Tradition keeps the heart rooted and the spirit young. Another quiet secret is moderation. In Greece, seniors enjoy life's pleasures without excess. A small glass of wine with dinner, shared with loved ones. A few sweets at a festival, but not every day. Balance, not restriction, is the key. Wine, when enjoyed responsibly, can actually have health benefits. Greek wine, rich in natural antioxidants, is sipped slowly, with food, and among friends. It's never about drinking to excess. It's about celebrating life's beauty. If you choose to drink, do it mindfully, joyfully, and with gratitude. It's about quality, not quantity. Faith and spirituality also play a strong role in Greek life. Many seniors participate in religious traditions, whether it's attending church, saying daily prayers, or lighting a candle for a loved one. Spiritual practices provide comfort, community, and a sense of purpose. They offer strength in hard times and deepen the joys of good times. A healthy spirit supports a healthy body. You don't need to belong to a particular religion to cultivate spiritual health. Simple practices like meditation, gratitude journaling, or spending time in nature can nourish your spirit. Find what speaks to your heart. Tend to your inner life with the same care as your physical body. Whole health includes body, mind, and spirit. And let's not forget joy. Joy is a powerful medicine. Greek seniors sing, dance, tell stories, and find reasons to smile every day. They celebrate birthdays, weddings, and even small victories. Joy fuels resilience and makes every year sweeter than the last. You can invite more joy into your life, starting today. Call an old friend. Learn a new dance step. Plant a flower. Smile at a stranger. The greatest Greek lesson of all is that health isn't just about what you avoid, it's about what you embrace. Sunshine, laughter, real food, deep rest, strong bonds, gratitude, movement, and joy. These are the ingredients of a long, happy, healthy life. And they're available to each of us right now. So, dear friends, if you dream of thriving past 70, 80, 90, or even 100, take heart. The path is simple, natural, and joyful. Eat fresh foods made with love. Move your body every day in ways that feel good. Stay connected to family, friends, nature, and your own heart. Live slowly, laugh often, give thanks, and never forget, it's never too late to begin. Your most vibrant years are still ahead. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful journey through the Greek secrets of longevity. We hope you feel inspired to bring a little bit of the Mediterranean magic into your life today. Until next time, stay strong, stay joyful, and keep thriving. Your best days are only just beginning.